Just getting in some breaking news from the Kerala High Court that has adjourned the bail plea of actor Dileep in the actress abduction and molestation case till Thursday. I have with me Deputy Editor, India Today, Rohini Swami, for more details. Another bit of setback for Dileep. He was hoping to get some relief from the High Court, but now he will remain in police custody at least till Thursday.
Well, his judicial custody does continue till 25th of this month.
Okay.
But after his bail plea was dismissed in the lower court in Angamali, that is the district magistrate court, his counsel directly went to the Kerala High Court to appeal for his bail. But today when the court heard this bail plea, they also said that they would like to dismiss it for now, and it has been adjourned till Thursday. Now, what is important to understand is that Dileep will continue to be in Alua sub-jail till Thursday. They were hoping that because the council has been putting the argument forward, saying that he's a person who has high social stature and that dragging him through the coals like this is unfair. It is plain blackmail against him, and they were hoping that the Kerala High Court would at least listen to their arguments. But the courts don't seem to be in a mood right now to take up this case in war footing. Rather, they would like to hear the complete case. Even when the magistrate dismissed the bail application, there were two paragraphs in that, and one saying because this was dealing with a heinous crime of kidnapping, abduction, and also leading to sexual assault, they were dismissing the bail. So obviously these are the grounds that the High Court also has done.
Okay, just stay on with me, Rohini. We will continue talking about this bit of news that has just come about. The Kerala High Court adjourning the bail plea of actor Dileep until Thursday. A quick break right here on the broadcast. Stay tuned. And continuing with the breaking news, Kerala High Court adjourns the bail plea of actor Dileep in the Malayalam actress abduction and sexual molestation case until Thursday. So that's the big news coming in there. Actor Dileep has been arrested for the abduction and assault of an Malayalam actress. Now he decided to move the Kerala High Court for bail, but his bail plea now being adjourned till Thursday. So that's when it is expected to come up. It's the big news that we have just received right now. We're just receiving more inputs on this news. The court was to consider his bail plea, rejecting his counsel's plea for an urgent hearing. So that's the news right now, that the matter in fact has been deferred until Thursday, has been adjourned rather till Thursday. Rohini, the actor's counsel claim that he is being framed, he's being targeted because he's a celebrity, but the prosecution, they're going to oppose to the actor's bail plea. Tell us more about this development coming in from the Kerala High Court.
Well, again, we saw the counter-arguments and the arguments put by the prosecution and defense. The prosecution has said that they have enough evidence to tie links between Dileep and Pulsar Suni, and Pulsar Suni being the main accused in this sexual assault case. Also, they have said that phone records are there to actually connect the two of them. The last time Dileep appeared in the Judicial Magistrates Court in Angamali, two mobile phones were submitted to the magistrates court. Now this is also as evidence for possibly to check the call records between Dileep and possibly who else were involved in this entire crime. The magistrate, while dismissing his bail plea, clearly said 2 points. One is that his name has come up as a part of a crime which is heinous in nature, and that is why they're dismissing the plea. And second, that they would also like to consider the fact that the entire procedure of investigation needs to be completed, and so they are dismissing his bail application. He will remain in judicial custody till July 25th. He was in 3 days police custody, within which the Kerala police actually took him to various places, investigated, collected evidence, and so they say that they have as of now, a watertight case against Dileep. Dileep's lawyer and counsel, senior counsel Ram Kumar in the Kerala High Court argued today, saying again it's pure blackmail, he is being framed, and as of now the police have no evidence to actually tie him and Pulsar Suni together, and rather they would actually need to see whether there is a conspiracy behind this entire thing. So, but the court has decided that they have adjourned the case and listened to this bail hearing on Thursday.
You know, Rohini, you've been tracking the story so closely. The actor there, who's a renowned and a very famous actor, Dileep, now behind bars on the allegations of abduction and sexual assault for exacting revenge in the most vengeful way from the Malayalam actress. Tell us a little bit more about, you know, the kind of connection that the police have been able to establish between the actor and the petty criminal Pulsar Suni. What kind of evidence have the police got against the actor Dileep?
It all started, Avantika, with a letter which later they said was a fake letter, which they say was addressed by Pulsar Suni to Dileep and handed over to one of Dileep's confidant. And in that letter, it was mentioned that Dileep needs to help him because he has tried to save him earlier. That actually started this entire thing. It was based on that the police started investigating the role of Dileep with the main accused, Pulsar Suni. Then came the issue about call records. The police say they have enough call records to show that Pulsar Suni spoke with the actor through different mobile phones. A mobile phone was even smuggled inside jail, through which he did speak to director Nadir Shah, who's a close friend of Dileep, as well as some other people who are close to Dileep. After that, we have seen that the police, while the investigation went on, said that the entire conspiracy was hatched in a hotel in Kochi, and so they actually brought actor Dileep to the hotel, took him to room number 401 and conducted investigations. They took him to various movie sets where he was shooting, even one which the famous selfie picture which shows Pulsar Suni in the background, where Dileep is taking a picture with his fan, which establishes that Suni was in the movie set of the making of the movie Georgethanspuram. So there are a lot of such evidences they have put together, and finally, they have also seen that the enforcement directorate also has stepped in, saying that there are a lot of illegal Benami deals that Dileep has been involved, and want to see if there's any money transaction between Pulsar Suni and Dileep.
All right, we'll leave it at that. Thanks so much, Rohini, for joining us.